Let's see if I can catch the dragonfly. Woo! I got one! Woo! Dragonfly. Hey! Hey, I won't hurt you. Hey. Oops. Hello, this is John of Arc, and this is a dragonfly in Ilonggo. It's called what is a dragon? Ano? Tibagring. Tibag. Yep, so I almost forgot. The word is Tibagring or dragonfly. It's the first time that I am able to capture a dragonfly for like 30 years or more, 40 years maybe. First time I'm able. Dear Tibagring, I'm not gonna hurt you, but I remember when I was a little girl, I did hurt a lot of dragonflies. For this, I am sorry. I am sorry. I was a kid. I didn't know what I was doing. I really am sorry. Don't be afraid. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just holding your wings so you won't fly. But I'm letting you go. And in behalf of my younger self, maybe I was 7 years old, 10 years old when I used to capture a lot of dragonflies, and it was a lot of fun, but I didn't know that it was wrong to hurt dragonflies and to harm them. So I feel you're calmer now. I don't feel the stress in your body. I know that you know that I'm really sorry. And thank you, Dragonfly, for this opportunity to say sorry. And with that, I let you go, and I thank you because you guys are eating mosquitoes, so you're keeping the balance. Thank you so much. I'm letting you go now. Bye. Oops. Bye. This is Joan of Arc. Bye.